Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will present about my individual project, which is this project is about a connection between host or client with the server using HTTP protocol. So let's look what is HTTP actually. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used to structure and request and respond over the internet. So whenever the host or client request to the server, and then server will respond back to the host using the internet. So this protocol require data to be transferred from one point to another point over the network. So that's basically the general about HTTP. Further information I will explain in the coding after this. Okay, in the simulation. So let's we continue to our simulation demonstration part. So this one is for the client and this one is for the server. To implement the HTTP, we need to implement the transport layer, which is TCP. So let's open the TCP first. Sorry, it's client.c. So this one is for TCP for the client and this one is for the server. Okay, so to implement TCP we have to use socket programming. Okay, so what is the socket? Socket is actually it's the most popular mechanism that provide the operating system to give program to access the network. So programming with TCP socket, first we have to create the socket. In TCP we have a domain or address family. We also have type and then we have a protocol. For example, here is domain we use as IFINet. Okay, IFINet. It's also IFINet. So the type we use is source stream. Okay, source stream. This one also source stream. FINet is to specify the IP address family. Okay, in IP address family we have a lot of type we can use is IFINet is for IP, AFINet 6, IPv6 and so on. Okay. Also for the type we have sort dgram, we have sort raw and so on. Before a client can connect to a server, the server must have socket that prepared to accept the connection. In this case, I use listen system call that tells a socket that it capable to accept the incoming connection. Okay. Okay, this slide is showing to us where the listening function was implemented. Okay, this line is the second parameter actually. Okay, second parameter socket that was set for accepting connection with listen. Okay, so let's listen. So this is the first parameter. This parameter is the address part. This is the address structure that get filled in with the address of the client when it was connected. So we finally have a connected socket between a client and also a server after we have implement the listen function. Okay, this listen function. So now to make sure these two can read and also write between each other, we have to implement read and write function. Okay, this to make sure they can communicate between each other. So this one is a read function. Okay, and also this one is write. So whenever they have a connection, the server will write back this message, hello message send, this one. Okay, now we take a look at our coding of TCP have a connection or not between these two client and also the server. Wait, we need to run the server first. TCP. Okay, and now we need to run the client part. Yeah, that's a good news to us. Okay, uh, this message from the client, hello from client. Okay, client will send the message hello to the server, and then the server also send hello to the client. Okay, this was a proof to us that the connection and the communication of the server and also the client is good and they are connected. Okay, so now we have to change a little bit of our code to make sure the HTTP protocol can be run. So now check with okay, now okay, let's we open the server part, server code. So this is the part. Okay, this is the part we have changed. Okay, to make sure the HTTP protocol was implemented in this code. So in this code we have three requirement. Okay, three header of minimum requirement. The first one is version of the HTTP protocol that we use. This one. Okay, HTTP 1.1. We have also HTTP 2.0 and the latest one I think is 3.0 what, if I'm not mistaken lah. So and the status code is 200 and the message is okay. Okay, the next one is content type. Content type. Okay, this part was said that uh, I'm server. Okay, maybe they went to sending a plain text. Maybe they can send also image. Okay, content type. Okay, they can also send image, also file, maybe. And this one is a content length. Okay, this content length is the message, how long, the bit of the message. So now let's we try our HTTP protocol. Oh, before that, if I forgot, we use the port bind is 8888. Okay, so let's retry. Okay, first we close this first. Uh, we have to find the IP address of the server. Okay, let's we look first. If I'm not mistaken, it's 1.11. Okay, go back to the project, our project. Run our server. Okay, to open our browser, then connect to the IP. Okay, this is IP. You see, wait. Okay, you see, after we get connected, the message was appear here. Okay, the protocol we use, the host, this our IP and the port bind, and this is the connection type. Okay, always get alive. Also for the user agent, and you can send. You can see here is message from the server. Hello guys, you can change it. Okay, you can change the message here. For example, if we can say we can put the new message. Sorry, but see, okay, we can change here. Okay, we try to implement the just good. Sorry, good morning. Okay, so the bitline is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, 14 bit, 14 bit. Okay, let's look what happened to in here. Oops, sorry, we not compiled it yet. This. Okay, we already compiled it. Run it. Oops, sorry. Dot out. Okay. Yeah, good morning, guys. So here we can see still get the message. Okay, still get the message here. So that show to us the HTTP protocol have already implemented and it can be run. I think that's all from me.